It's July 1st, so that means we're starting work in a new zone, Zone 1, the dining room, the entryway, the front porch. So I thought this was a perfect time to clean my entryway and switch out my spring decor to make it a little bit more patriotic. So if you want to see that process, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, start now by hitting that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. I love the Flylady cleaning process. It has really revolutionized how I manage my home. And I like the simplicity of working in different zones each day and each week and then sorting out what I'm going to do. And so I decided that what I would do today for the first day of Zone 1 is to clean and redecorate this entryway for the 4th of July, which in the U.S. is our Independence Day. So I'm going to take this wreath down and maybe switch out some of these spring flowers and bring down a few patriotic things that I have from my office and see what I can do to create a cozy little corner right here, but also a patriotic cozy corner. So let's get it started. So I'm going to start with moving these spring decorations off of here. And I'm not sure if these will stay off. We'll see. I just love this little arrangement, but we'll just see what comes back. So let's get rid of these. And I love this little bloom where you're planted plaque. This may come back for summer decor, but right now I'm thinking patriotic. So I'm going to move this. And you know, this little American flag always sits here on this table, somewhere in the corner, so it'll definitely be coming back. Convenient storage space. This house just always seems to collect so much dust. So I will dust this off first with my microfiber cloth. And as you can see, my Howard Feed and Wax is almost empty. So I'll have to be picking up some more of that. There's just enough to finish this. I don't know if I'll have enough to polish the railing or not. We'll see. I just love this little telephone table. In case you're new to my channel, this little telephone table used to be my grandmother's, and it's set in her family room area. And this was back in the era when you only had one telephone in the house, and so you had a little table and the telephone sat on the table, and that's where people sat and talked on the phone. And I was lucky enough to get this passed down to me, so I try to take good care of it. As a matter of fact, I recovered this seat cushion. Okay. Now I am going to move this into there while I finish up out here. little pink that's been speckled on this lamp, and it's been there forever. And I thought today was the day that I would get it off. So I've just got cotton ball and some nail polish remover. And I will just get that off. Like, look at there. It probably happened when my husband or myself painted this wall. And you know, I just never got around to cleaning it up. So I thought today is the day. It's coming off pretty good. Just got a couple little places I'll probably want to scrape. I don't know why it took me so long to get to this. I just didn't do it. It was kind of like I had so many other pressing things to take care of. Okay. Now I'm going to clean it with some glass cleaner. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Everyday Glass Cleaner in the Lemon Verbena scent. It's just such a clean, fresh smell. Perfect for the entryway. There. So now I need to sweep the floor, and then I'll polish that railing, and then I'll be ready to decorate. Where the paper towels went to. There appears to be crackers on the floor. Now, where could that have come from? Now I had all these things upstairs in my office, so I thought I would bring them down and see how they would look down here to create a patriotic cozy corner. This one I just got most recently, probably about a month ago at Hobby Lobby when they were having a 50% off sale. So we'll see what I do with that. But this little angel I've had forever. I probably got these at, I don't know, Hobby Lobby or Joann's. I've had them for so long, I don't know when or where I got them. I used to have them in my office when I worked at IPFW, and now they're decorating my home. So I'm thinking I want her to go up here. She's just like a patriotic fairy. She's got on a little halo, and there's a little star. Let's see. I think I'm liking this. I think the teddy bear gives it just a little softer look, a little cozier, so I like that. Well, I think I'm done for this entryway. I'll bring you up for a closer look, but it's nice, it's simple, but it is patriotic, and I kind of would have preferred to have this particular piece up just a little bit higher, but since it's only going to be there for a few days, I thought I'm going to just hook it to where there's already some nails in the wall that I can attach it to, rather than putting new holes in the wall. So I'm just going to let it sit there. It works out fine. And then I'm liking these summer flowers, and I think the red does say patriotic with the little patriotic teddy bear, and I'm just going to go with that. And then I moved the little angel over here on the door. I kind of like her there. And when I used to have her at my office, I had her hanging on my door. So when people came to my office, she was just there year round. And since she was just a patriotic angel, I just left her up. So she's perfect for right here. And there's my little flag that always lives on this little corner table. And this is just a little treasure box. I don't have anything in it right now, but I just love it. So now when you come into my home, this is what you see first. I just felt like something was missing from this little cozy corner. So I got out one of my Americana quilts, threw it there over the telephone bench, and it was perfect to warm up this cozy corner. The red, white, and blue and the gold on the quilt perfectly pick up the kind of goldish color on the stripes of the flag, and of course the gold and the reds in the floral bouquet. So now when you come into the house, this is what welcomes you, a patriotic cozy corner. What's your favorite part about this patriotic cozy corner? And if you like this video, I'm going to link a couple videos that I did with some patriotic cozy corners from last year so that you can check those out. And then tomorrow I'll be posting my red, white, and boom blue tablescape. So it's my Independence Day tablescape. So you might enjoy taking a peek at that too. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.